For July, the rain changed to snow. This more than 10 centimeters fell on Primonon during the morning. Residents of the July appearance, the return of winter and the long-awaited snow. Switzerland finally gets some fresh snow and plenty of it. Weather experts expect up to 17 centimeters of new snow, about 1,600 meters in Swiss Alps in the coming days and possibly even more above. National Weather Service Meteors will issue a yellow 2 warning for region about 1,200 meters from Sunday evening to Tuesday morning. This corresponds to a moderate level to danger. In the danger of ice or snowy roads, Meteors Swiss reports that the snowfall limit should drop to 700 meters over the next 2 days, 3 or 4 on altitude 1,200 meters on the canyons of Valais and Grand Bundin. 10 to 14 centimeters of snow can fall on the altitude of 1,000 to 1,600 meters, 14-17 centimeters. It's been a long time, but heavy snow continues to fall in many resorts in the Alps, causes pollution and to relief. The snow line is expected on an altitude of about 2,000 meters. In some alpine regions, snow is expected on an altitude of 1,200 to 1,600 meters. 20 to 15 centimeters of fresh snow can fall in the Alps, about 2,000 meters. Snow in the Alps is not uncommon. According to statistics, Rosa experts the first snow to fall. The first snow in the main cities of Switzerland fall much later. Zurich has the earliest average date of the first snow, followed by Bern, Basel and Geneva. However, these data are averages. Due to the warning of the climate change, the date of the first snow is likely to become later and later. Swiss authorities have warning to the high risk of avalanches in mountain regions after having snowfall. In some eastern region of the country, up to 18 centimeters of snowfall in 24 hours. Part of the Horn Valley and the border with Italy were cut off due to blocked roads. Since Wednesday, up to 2 meters of fresh snow has fallen in some areas of the Alps. Experts say these are record numbers that are usually only happen every 20 years. On Saturday night, some parts of the country experienced the coldest night in the whole winter, down to 15 degrees Celsius.